city again, bitch.
Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful people. It's your boy P Ambition 23 coming back at you with another sneaker review. You guys see by the title and the thumbnail what I have for you guys, the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. Not sure when the release date is going to come, you know, if we're going to get it at all, but I went ahead and picked these up early, as you guys can see. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Taking a look at the box, man. Very, very nice presentation. You got my boy on the front of the box when he was in his prime. You know what I mean? You guys can see that he has the black toes going across his shoulder. Now with this shoe, it is true to size. So if you were looking at picking this shoe up, definitely go true to size. I got it in a size 8.5, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. White, black, varsity red sale, okay? The color code is going to be DZ5485106. Again, pick these joints up early. You guys go ahead and sub up to the channel, man. Like I said, I'm trying to jump back into it, all right? So up under the lid, you have, you know, Michael Jordan's signature. You're going to have, again, authentic Nike stamp right there. And then you're going to have your lot number and everything up under that lid, okay? One thing I like about the paper, and I'll put some B-roll in there. I'm pretty sure you guys, if you guys looked it up, but you're going to have him all over the paper. You're going to have him, I believe that's him and his father on the box. And you got Chicago on the paper, Air Jordan. You know what I mean? Very, very nice addition, man. It's a very, very dope addition to it, man. You guys can see. You got him there in his rookie. Nike. You know what I mean? So I feel like Jordan Brand, they took their time with this release. So, all right, but enough with the paper, man, and everything like that. What we have here is the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. Really, really nice. I have the 2016, so I will be comparing them here shortly in this video just to show you guys the differences. Something that I noticed that's really, really quick. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and get into the shoe. So I'm going to place this one up here. We're going to start off with the right shoe. All right, so starting off with the bottom, you're going to have that red sole with a nice aged midsole. I feel like this is a really dope addition to the shoe as well. I know a lot of people are saying that the aged look is getting played out, but in my opinion, man, you can't go wrong with an aged midsole. I think I'm going to throw some sail laces in here and see how it matches with the sail sole as well. Black toe box. You got the white toe. All right. More of that nice Chicago Bulls red. And it's a lot faded. It's not as bright as it would be on the 2016s. And I'll show you guys here shortly. You got Air Jordan in black where you would usually have the Wings logo. All right. It's going to come pre-laced with black and red laces. No white laces is included in this release. And then you're going to have a black nylon tongue. All right. Nike Air on the front of the tongue in red. All right. And on the, and inside of the shoe, you're going to have the white insole with Nike Air text in black. All right. Really, really, really nice. All right. Black sock liner. Yeah. And that's about it. All right. So again, when I first saw this shoe, when I took it out the box, I was pleased. I really didn't have any complaints. You know, I really like the quality leather that they used on this shoe. Would this be a double up for me? I don't think so, just because I have the 2016 pair and I don't feel like, you know, I would need to double up on this specific pair. Looking at some of the prices on Flight Club as well as on Gold, prices are really, really below retail right now. So if you was looking at picking this shoe up, since we don't have an official release date, you know, you could do that, you know, without really, you know, breaking the bank or hurting the pockets at all. I know we got so many more releases coming out, so I just decided to go ahead and bring these to the channel early just to show you guys, if you were in the market for picking these up, what they're looking like. All right, but let's go ahead and compare them to the 2016s really quick. All right, so comparing them to the 2016s, as you guys can see, I mentioned to you that leather was a different type of color. All right, so I have my Reimagines here, and I have the 2016. You guys can see, well, you guys can see which one is laced up. All right, so you guys see that the red is a different color. All right, as far as the leather, I would say the leather is on par with one another. It's really not that much of a difference between the leather, right? And the quality control is excellent on this pair compared to the 2016. Okay, really, again, it's really not much of a big difference, I'll be honest with you. All right, Nike checks. You guys can see that. And I'm hoping I'm getting this in the camera for you guys. You know. All right, like I said, Wings logo on the 2016. And then you got the Air Jordan, which is what it was supposed to be in the beginning. All right. So, again, one thing that I noticed as well is that on the 2016, you're going to have the white nylon tongue. And then with the new, you're basically getting a black nylon tongue. Black laces came standard as well as white laces in the 2016. Again, there's not much of a big difference. I mean, you guys can see the inside of the sock liner is a little bit more quilted on the 2016 versus the new pair. Other than that, outsole, everything is exactly the same, no different. Again, like I said, you got the white midsole versus the aged midsole, and I'll be honest, I need to clean these. But yeah, not much of a difference. You guys see my pair is still in good condition. So again, like I said, no need to pick these up, man. But you let your boy know down below, where you be going for this pair? Is this something that you're looking to add into your collection? I know Jordan 1s are dead, but for me, Jordan 1 is always a staple in my collection. Had to have them, had to put them into the collection. But go ahead, let me know down below, man, what you guys think about this video, man. If you guys like the way that I'm, putting the information out there, drop me a sub, sub up to the channel, hit that thumbs up for your boy, man. I greatly appreciate it, man.